The story of an egg. Once upon a time, there was an egg. It lay in its nest, waiting to hatch. One day, the egg began to crack and a small yellow chick emerged. The chick was weak but soon became strong. It wandered around the barnyard and made friends with a wise old hen. The hen taught the chick all of the skills it needed to survive. The chick grew to become a rooster, eventually leading the flock of hens and roosters in their daily activities. The rooster crowed each morning, awakening the barnyard and helping the animals start their day. The rooster grew old, but before it left this world, it laid one final egg. This egg was passed down from generation to generation, teaching each young chick the same lessons the wise old hen taught the first chick. It was a symbol of the circle of life, and each animal in the barnyard could look to it for guidance and hope. The egg was a reminder that life goes on and that no matter what the future holds, life will never stop. You may click like and comment with your suggestions or give an idea about the story. Thank you.